how to perform small jumps in ballet. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Cheryl Ale. I'm the founding director of RPM, Revolutionary Principles of Movement, really. And I am here teaching dancers and teachers to be the very best that they can be. This is really ballet for everybody, everybody. This is what we do. So let's jump around. We're gonna jump around, down to go up to go down. And here we go. We're here to do small jumps in ballet. Okay, so everyone's thinking, well, you know, we do this, Cheryl. We know how to do small jumps. Okay, so I'm going to show you what the small jumps look like before the principles and then after the principles. But first, I'm sure you're wondering why I have this handy dandy ball in my hand. What this is about is creating the cause and effect and working with gravity. Because if you're just jumping without these principles, guess what's gonna happen? Gravity is gonna win, and I'm gonna show you how it wins. You may not even know how it wins. Okay, so if you just drop a ball like this, okay, well, yeah, Cheryl, it bounces. Right, it bounces. It's the same action reaction as if you're just walking down the street. But how do you get gravity to work with you? You have to go, instead of down to go up to go down, you have to conjure the energy to go up, to go down, to go up. Now, that's a better jump. Now, wouldn't that be a better jump? All right, so let's have these, and we will go let's do first and second without any action reaction, just down to go down instead of up to go down. Here we go. Go. And first, second. Okay, so what did that feel like? That felt like
really heavy pulling
down, and gravity was
pushing down.
totally winning, right? Okay, so let's do the same thing, but go up to go down to go up, just first and second. And then we'll do an exciting combination here. Okay, here we go. And first and second. Did you see the difference? The ball went up, up, up. That was gorgeous, girls. Okay, so now I'm really gonna show them off because they are spectacular. Colleen Smith here, director of Ballet Palm Beach, is quite amazing. So here we are. We are going to do the combination, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and first, and fifth, and échappé. Look at that balance. Fourth, second, fourth, fifth, su, royale. Now, that is wonderful, love it. Now I want you to do it without any principles, because I really want you to see the before and after. And this is down to go up. Isn't that interesting? And you can always hear it too. You can hear it sounds differently. How's that for a sound? Gravity saying, come to me. So we've made our point here, haven't we? You guys are amazing. Do you want, we'll end the shot by doing it more fabulous than ever, up to go down to go up. One last combination, and listen, there's no sound. So let's go. And we'll fade out on this. Okay, and first and fifth, and échappé, so no sound, échappé. And fourth, no sound, su, no sound. This is a beautiful thing. If this is your first time to this channel, we would love it if you would subscribe. This channel is all about helping you, the dancer, dance better, jump better, turn better. Teachers, teaching everybody how to do it all better. And students, again, hit that subscribe button and you're gonna just be excelente.